sharp edges, fresh sawdust, and a dash of curiosity. Today's lineup of new woodworking tools is about to prove that craftsmanship can still surprise you. From clever measuring gadgets to power tools that act like they've had an extra cup of coffee, we're putting each one to the test to see which truly earns a spot on your bench. Stick around as we cut, carve, and crack a few jokes along the way, because great tools should work hard and spark a grin. Worx Mini Circular Saw. You get powerful cutting performance in a compact one-hand circular saw that feels light, controlled, and surprisingly capable for everyday DIY and woodworking jobs. You cut up to 2-inch thick lumber with ease, thanks to a 4,100 RPM motor and a sharp 4.5-inch blade. One-hand operation improves control, while quick depth adjustment keeps cuts precise. Bevel cuts up to 45 degrees add versatility for creative projects. Dust extraction helps maintain visibility and safety, making this saw practical for home workshops and quick job site tasks. Kreg K 4-Pocket Hole Jig. You get fast, strong, professional quality joints with a pocket hole jig that turns drilling and driving into a simple, repeatable workflow every time. You adjust the Kreg K4 easily to match materials from 2 by 1 inch to 2 by 11 inches thick, ensuring accurate pocket holes on every project. A 3-hole drill guide speeds up assembly, while a large clamping recess keeps everything steady. You can switch between benchtop and portable use, making this jig ideal for DIY builds and serious woodworking projects. EZARC 6-pieces wood chisel tool sets. You get 6 razor-sharp chisels built for clean cuts, durable handles, and real workshop reliability. Whether you're refining joints or tackling everyday woodworking tasks, you work with chrome vanadium steel blades hardened to HRC60, so edges stay sharp longer and deliver smooth results. Sizes range from 6mm to 25mm, giving you flexibility for mortises, trimming, and cleanup. Beechwood handles feel solid, resist wear, and stay comfortable during longer sessions. Edges arrive honed and ready to use right out of the box. Klein tools. Digital electronic level and angle gauge. Precision meets portability with this digital angle gauge, giving you fast, accurate readings, auto-rotating visibility, and hands-free magnetic mounting for demanding job site tasks. You measure angles or level surfaces effortlessly using zero calibration, a wide 0 to 180-degree range, and a bright reverse contrast display that stays readable in low light. Strong magnets and V-groove edges let you attach securely to conduit, pipes, or saw blades, keeping alignment accurate while both hands stay free. IP42 protection and an included case make daily carry practical and easy. Skil 5-inch random orbital sander. Get smooth, swirl-free finishes faster with Skil 5-inch random orbital sander, powered by a 2.8 amp motor and 13,000 orbits per minute for consistent results. You get variable speed control to match different materials and a cyclone-style dust container that's easy to empty and keeps your workspace cleaner. Low vibration design and soft rubber grip help you work longer with less fatigue. This review shows how you can sand tighter spaces, improve finish quality, and save time on projects. Edward Tools Rubber Mallet Hammer. Deliver controlled, damage-free strikes with Edward Tools Rubber Mallet, designed for soft blow power, shock absorption, and steady handling across woodworking, flooring, and repair tasks. You get a durable rubber head that protects surfaces, paired with a fiberglass handle that reduces vibration and hand fatigue. Non-slip ergonomic grip keeps control firm during repeated use. Compact yet well-balanced weight improves accuracy. This review helps you decide if this mallet improves precision, protects materials, and makes everyday projects smoother and more reliable. SACR Multifunction Foldable Level. Carry precision anywhere with SACR Multifunction Foldable Level, a compact aluminum tool that folds flat for storage, yet opens wide for accurate multi-angle leveling jobs. You get 4 clear blue vials, 0.5mm accuracy, and a hinge design that adapts to corners, stairs, pipes, and tight spaces. Durable aluminum construction resists rust and drops while staying lightweight. How you can save space, work faster, and achieve cleaner, more accurate results on DIY and professional projects. Woodworking Apron. Protect your clothes and keep every tool within reach with this heavy-duty waxed canvas woodworking apron designed for serious workshop efficiency and all-day comfort. You get 20-ounce water-resistant canvas, reinforced stitching, and solid brass hardware that handles tough jobs with ease. 9 smart pockets, a magnetic fastener pocket, and a hammer loop keep tools organized and accessible. Adjustable crossback straps reduce strain while allowing free movement. This video helps you decide if this apron boosts safety, comfort, and productivity for woodworking, DIY, or garage projects. DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Oscillating Tool Kit. Power through cutting, sanding, and repairs with the DeWalt Oscillating tool, built around a brushless motor that delivers longer runtime and consistent performance. You get speed control, a variable dual grip trigger, and quick change accessories that keep jobs precise. Bright LED lighting and universal accessory compatibility help you work on drywall, flooring, sanding, and tight detail cuts. This review helps you see how battery, charger, and blades save time, boost control, and make one tool handle many tasks. Skil router table and 10-amp fixed-base router kit. Turn your workshop into a precision routing station with the Skil router kit, combining a powerful 10-amp router and a feature-packed table built for accuracy and control. You get above-table height adjustment, integrated bit storage, and a wide 24-inch fence that keeps cuts straight and repeatable. Soft start and variable speed help you stay smooth and safe while working on detailed projects. Featherboards, starter pin, and solid die-cast housing give you confidence with every pass. This review shows how you can save time, improve results, and work smarter on woodworking tasks.